Good morning. Yes, I know it's a little bit hokey, but quite frankly, I didn't know what else to call it. But a baked fritter. I also have some interesting news to tell you about this video and upcoming videos, but I'll do that in another broadcast, in another video. In the meantime, let me tell you how I made this really delicious fritter. Okay then, let's get started. First, I used 2 tablespoonfuls of flour, self-rising flour. And then, because I happen to like scallion, I added some scallion besides. I like to see the green, and I love the flavor of scallion. But you're free to use whatever you wish. I also use, of course, some natural sharp cheddar cheese. And I added all to the flour, but I didn't add liquid quite yet. That'll come later. Now keep in mind that I make videos for people who are hungry and they just want to use what's in the refrigerator, and not necessarily for degreed person in culinary arts or for television personalities. I added butter because I want it to be nice and soft, and because I had extra cheese and ham in my refrigerator, I decided to add that too. Again, I want to promote creativity, so there you have it. Ham, cheese, butter, scallion, and self-rising flour. And I added some black pepper and thyme because I like the flavor of black pepper and thyme. You, of course, should be creative. Then I added about 1/4 cup of milk, maybe a little less. And I could have used water, I suppose, but I decided that I would use milk because the milk is going to go bad in a little while and I want to use it up. So I mixed up the batter that looked like a paste almost, and then I put it on some aluminum foil, which I sprayed with some coconut spray because I didn't want my, whatever this is, the baked fritter, to stick. Then in the oven it went, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. 400 degrees, preheated for 15 minutes. And this is what they looked like after 15 minutes. So this is what I did. I decided that I was going to add some butter to the baked fritters. And then, after I added the butter, then what I decided to do was to put it back into the oven for another 5 minutes or so, because I just wanted to do that to make them get a little more brown, if you will, a little bit more baked. Now, let me remind everyone that I make cooking videos for people who simply want to use what's in their refrigerator, and that's what I do. Now, here's what I'd like to tell you about this video, about my videos and upcoming videos. We all are required to stay at home, and you know why. I think it's a very good idea. I also think it's a very good idea that when you go out into public to wear a mask, N95. Now, I have figured a way where you can have your own YouTube channel by uploading my videos. You go to vimeo.com, download my videos, and then upload to your own YouTube channel. Now, I just have to make sure that it's legal.